So welcome to my next tutorial. That is, in this tutorial we are just going to have exercise with while loop. Okay, so let's move forward. So this is the question that you have to do. Like we have to ask a user for the name. Okay. So for example, I have entered Tanav here. So print count for each word means how many words are there for each letter. Okay, like T is one. Okay, A are two here in this string. Then N is one and V is also one. So we will see in the next uh, in the next slide, that is how to do it. Okay, it's coding and it's programming. Okay, welcome you all. So let's have an example here and let me create a new file and let's see the solution of my question input. So we have to ask the user the name. Okay, so I will write here, please enter your name. Okay, please enter your name. So next is, so what I have to, suppose I have entered, I have written here Tanaf. Okay, and what type of output I want here. Okay, so let's see. For this I have to use count function. Okay, count that I have to count what. Now I have to count the, so what I have to count, first letter is T. Okay, I have to count T, and how it will show me in the output, like name dot count, then name. Okay, so it would be on the which position, zeroth position, zeroth index. Okay, clear. And how many letter T are there in the just this word. So I simply have to check, it is one, so I will write here one. Clear. So this is how I will check the position. Okay, position and the number of letters present in the name. Clear. So let's see and do it again for N A B. Okay, so let's change the letters here. A. Okay, the position will be 0 1 2 so on. Okay, 0 1, okay, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, so A, how many A's are there? So it will show 2. Okay, next is N. Okay, how many N are there? That is 1 only. Next is again A. Okay, so how many A's are there? That is 2. Okay, next is V. So how many V are there? That is 1 only. Okay, so this is how we will come to know how to count it. Okay, whatever the whatever the value. Okay, suppose how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So what would be the length here? Okay, length is equal to length minus 1. Okay, length minus 1. Clear. So that means, first if I'll it will check the first letter. So it is 5 minus 1, that is 4. So next letter, then uh, okay, 4 minus 1, 3. So this is how it will count. So now let's see how output will come. Okay, so let's see the output, how output will come here. Hash T. Okay, that is 1. Hash A, that is 2. Okay, then hash N, how many N are there? 1. Okay, A, again A, how many A's are there? That is 2. 2 count is there. Fine. After that again I have to check the letter V. Okay, that is, how many V are there in Tanab? That is 1. Clear. So this is how my output would be look like. Clear? So after that, see, now I will write down the code for it. Okay, what would be the code for that? So let's see. It's a very simple with while loop. Okay, so let's see here. First of all, I will write here like I is equal to, I will initialize the value I is equal to 0, then while, okay, less than, that is length. Okay, I have to check the length here. Length, that is name. किसकी length? Name की length. Okay, what is name here? That is whatever the name is given by the user. Clear? So this is how it works. Clear? So dots, and after that I will write down the print statement. Print, we should have to be very careful about the indentation. I am repeating again and again in my each video that indentation is very much clear. It should be proper. Okay, so I, next I, clear, and it this this will go through. Okay, it will go through next name dot count. Okay, it will check the count, and count of what? Name. Clear? Count of name, that is ith, whatever the ith. Okay, and after that I simply have to close it. Clear? And after that I have to close the placeholder, double quotes, and again there one. Clear? Now after that I will write here I is equal to I counter. Okay, I plus 1. Fine. So see, so this is how I will simply write over here the value. If I will save this, what type of output I will get? So let's save this file. I will save it with the name count only. Name count. Okay. Yes. Fine. So let's run it and see the output. It is saying, okay, how? It is less than sign. How it can be invalid? While, okay, I forgot to write I, with whom I am just simply initializing the value here. Fine, Control S, then F5. So let's wait for 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Okay, I am writing here TANV Tanav. Oh, it's becoming infinite loop. Oh my god, I have to stop this. Huh? Why I have to stop this? And because its count should be here. So let's see. Tanav. Now see. Okay. Because the indentation, the thing was the indentation that was done. Okay, now I have earlier it was here, it was with while. Okay, now it is coming under print. Okay, after this statement this counter will be added on, then it will again come here, 2 value 0 0 plus 1, here 1 will come. 1 is less than length, name of the length, what is the name? That is 5. That yes, 1 is less than 5. Okay, then it will come here 5. Okay, counter name, it will be checked here. Okay, so it will simply check. So this is how, this is my output, it will come. Okay, like t, 1 value, a is 2 times, n is 1 time, a is 2 times, and v. See, now the problem is that here when I have checked the a letter in my name, okay, why it is telling me again and again? It should come once. Okay, so how to do that? See, for just doing that, I just need to declare a variable, okay, where it will store the value. Wherever it will store the value, like suppose I am writing here temp variable, okay, is equal to bracket bracket. Okay, whatever the variable will come, it will stored here only. Fine, it will be stored here only. So next is now done. Okay, fine. So after that I have to write the count. Okay, temporary. So see here, what is going to do, what is going to be happen here. See, like I am checking letter T. Okay, so I have to check letter T, is this letter T is available or not. Okay, first suppose I have checked, if it is not available then it will print. Okay, suppose like I have come on letter A. Okay, now it is checking. Okay, letter A, that is on which position, that is on 1th index. Okay, say first position. Fine, so how many letter A's are there, that is 2. So, now it is done. Okay, counter will be increased here, then it will go to the next. Suppose now again I have reached here. Okay, A is coming again. So now here earlier which letter has been stored, T. Okay, after that when next will come, then it will store A, then next will come N. Now if suppose again letter A has come, okay, in the name or in the string, okay, then what will happen? See, it has to check that whether this letter is present or not. Okay, it has to check, otherwise it will print continuously the same letter. Okay, that is there is no use of that. Okay, so how we will do that? Let's see. For that we will just simply use if command. Okay, if name, okay, that is ith. Okay, oh sorry, ith. Okay, not in temp variable, not in temp variable means if this element is not in this temporary variable, अगर नहीं है तो वो it has to print. Okay, it has to print. Clear? And it print हो गया तो it has to store also. Okay, if it is not there then it has to store also. So how we will store it? Temp variable. Okay, temp variable, and that is we will add its value. Okay, is equal to uh, simply let me give the space. We will add the value of name, that is at ith, that is at ith index. Fine, so this is how we will do it. So if I will save this value, then okay, if I will simply save this value, so let's see the output. It is asking me the name. Okay, see, now here you can check the output in the above also. Okay, above a name or string also, the here A is coming 2 times. Okay, but in the downside it is coming only single time, so that we want to do that. Okay, so so that it should count at 1, okay, count at 1, not it doesn't has to display that. Okay, 2 times. Fine, so next is, so this is how we have to start it. I hope you have understood how to do it. Okay, and you have understood the count also. Okay, how to use this count in the while loop and how to use a if also. Fine, thank you. Thank you guys. If you liked my video, please subscribe and keep visiting my channel for new updates. Thank you.